Did you already watch videos telling us we can make thousands of dollars income selling AI art online? Forget about them. I tested it, and without any marketing channels and other stuff, you will not sell your AI art on the platforms. If you still like to do a case study with me, let's try it together. In this guide, I show you my workflow step by step, how I place my listings on Etsy, so I can do a case study for a month or two. Let's jump right in. The first thing I do here is a quick research. You can spend more time and make a more intense research to find an idea for your item. It's simple. Focus on the best sellers and if they are selling at the moment. If you want to dive deeper in the research, you can use eRank, a tool to check Etsy SEO. I just look for a base idea for our listing. Focus on those things. Look for the purple icon with the white star. It indicates the best sellers. Open the listing and look at the top right. You can see if it is selling right now. Those items have a higher chance to bring in some sale for you. In my example, I like to create a poster. When I am happy with the idea, I jump into Midjourney and create my AI images. You can use Stable Diffusion and others too. Let's do this. I speed up the process here. Find yourself a theme and create your AI art. I add a link to the prompt I use here in the description below if you want to use it too. For the final image, use any kind of upscaler to create the final piece of art. Once you are done, you can start creating your poster for your own listing. Our next step is to create the printable version of your art. You can't upload your art straight from the AI tool to a POD service or Etsy. You always need to prepare the printable version first. For this step, I am using Photoshop. I speed up my process again. You need a 300 dpi in a proper scale. In my case, I use 84.1 centimeters by 59.4 centimeters. That's the A1 print format. When you are done save your image, you are ready to create the final poster item now. Now we can create our poster. You can use any print-on-demand service you like. I use Printful for this. Printful can be fully integrated into your Etsy store. To create your poster, just follow the instructions of your print-on-demand service. I choose a matte paper poster, unframed in A1 format. Then I upload my image. The most important part here are the mock-ups and the description you create. I create a video on those things soon. This is a good time to click the subscribe button so you don't miss the video. There is a mock-up section on Printful. I download some of the mock-ups I like to my laptop. To follow along, create your Etsy store, a pod account, and integrate the service into the store. I recommend Printful for this. When you have created these accounts, you can start creating your poster and send it to Etsy. It's really easy. That's it. After you have sent the item from Printful to Etsy, just log into your account. Go to your articles section and look for the item. If it's not visible after you have sent it from Printful, just look into the draft category on the right side of your screen. Publish it and your AI art creation is now listed in your store. To get sales, you need to do some SEO. A good title, tags, and a description are crucial for getting sales. I do another video on this topic for you. Hit the subscribe button and you won't miss it. Let's wait and see if the item can be sold on Etsy now. Please write in the comment section below if you have questions or if you have sold your item. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my channel to support me. Thanks for watching and good luck selling your AI art on Etsy.